Your house is only 20 minutes from the beach, you have fun weekend house parties, and the end of the day, you go back to your own cozy private room. Sounds like a dream, but the share house is real. Today, I will show you the share house in Ashiya near Osaka, Kobe, and Kyoto. This share house is managed by Oakhouse. You can book your room online, almost like booking a hotel. No complicated Japanese paperwork, no need to read difficult Japanese contracts, no key money, no big deposit. Let's go check this share house. I actually stay here for one night to see what is special about this house and why local people love this area so much. One thing I really liked is the Hello Bike service. For only 160 yen, you can use an electric bike for 30 minutes. My first stop is Shukugawa. This river is famous for its cherry blossom in spring. A light breeze on your face, the sound of small river below, it feels very calm and peaceful. Next, I went to Nishinomiya Shrine, which is dedicated to Ebisu, the god of good fortune and business success in Japan. Every January, they have a famous event called Fuku Race. People run through the shrine to become the lucky man of the year. If you move here now, you have plenty of time to prepare and maybe you can try this race next year. Okay, those two sports are already great, but the best surprise is there's a beach near the house. Personally, I like the share house outside of Tokyo. There are more outdoor activities, the cost of living is lower, and there are fewer crowds. It feels more relaxed and more local. When I came back to the house in the evening, a house party was already happening. There were residents from other Oakhouse properties in Kobe and Kyoto, and even neighbors who came to check out this house. So why do people come so far to see this place? Let's start the house tour and you'll see. This share house is newly renovated. The lounge is bright and cozy. The designer used a lot of warm wooden elements, so it really feels like a comfortable home, not just a dormitory. There's a small bar counter which is perfect for quiet drink at night. The shared kitchen is compact but very easy to use. 2 small IRG stoves, ovens, kettles, and other basic cooking tools. There is also a ice maker. This is very important for summer drinks. There's a smoking room right next to the lounge. It is not very big, but it is enough for smokers. Big windows and curtains make the lounge bright during the day, but still cozy even in every season. One special feature of this house is unit rooms. It's like sharing a small apartment with 2 or 3 people. The rooms are quite spacious. This room 204 is a special unit. It can only be rented by 2 people together. The rent for this one is 130k yen per month, plus 20k yen for utilities. It's perfect for friends or couples who want to live together. This unit has Wi-Fi, its own fridge, mini kitchen, toilet, shower room, washing machine, and living area. It's almost like your own apartment inside the share house. There are another type of unit where you can rent a single room inside of the share unit. The rent for this room is about 40k yen per month, plus 20k yen for utilities. These unit areas are separate by gender, do not have washing machine inside. Now let's go to the 4th floor to look at the single rooms. These are traditional tatami rooms. They feel very cozy and very Japanese. The rent is around 50k yen per month, plus 20k yen for utilities. Walking barefoot on tatami is one of the best feelings. Little experience like this make your stay in Japan feel special. Each room has a closed hanging bar and some storage places. It's not huge, but it's enough for daily life. On the 5th floor, also single rooms area, there's a small kitchen. It's convenient if you don't want to go downstairs to the main kitchen. You can microwave simple meals and make breakfast here. And the view from upper floor is amazing. Unlike big cities where you can only see concrete buildings, here you can see a more open, beautiful landscape. Let's talk about shared facilities on 4th and 5th floor. Shared washing machines, sinks, toilets, and shower room. Everything is clean and almost brand new, so even if your first time living in a share house in Japan, you don't need to worry about old or dirty facilities. So that's today's Ashiya share house tour. Beach, river, shrine, house parties, private rooms, unit apartment, and easy online booking with Oakhouse, all in one place. If you think about living in Japan on a budget, or you want a share house near Osaka and Kobe with both nature and city access, this house is a really good option. If you are interested in this place, comment Ashiya below and let me know what kind of room you like, unit type, tatami room, or something else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next house tour.